Alright, it's Monday, October 13th. And here's Nee.
Yeah, what's going on? How you doing?
Pretty good. Alright. Say something.
Oh, it's good. It's your boy Leslie. About to go to Voices Virgin. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this was random, so.
Hey, say something.
This is random, I wasn't prepared, but I guess, yeah, VM is the shit, right?
Let's go.